Hey, my name's Josh and I'm here to show you the new racking system on the Ranger Platinum. So like the Wild Track, the car does come equipped with the roller shutter as well as the unique sliding tie-down points. But a couple of key things with the Ranger Platinum that the vehicle does have as well. Your 20-inch wheels, you've got your chrome trim looking very similar to the Everest Platinum and does come with the V6 engine. So let's get started. So the racking system has two handles. I'll go through the second one in just a second. The first one allows you to click a half click, and that allows you to slide this side here where the other side locked. If you click in a full lock, you'll actually be able to slide the rack completely back and completely forward to get it to your desired location. The other step is that you can pull this little racking system here to get the additional roof rack. It'll give you an option when you pull the other roof racks that we'll go through in a second. So while we're maneuvering this, basically what you've got is you've got 5 key spots that you can actually set the racking system to. So it will hard close and hard latch into that section. You can move it all the way to the back, kind of in the middle. You've also got 2 spots between there to get your desired length. So whether you're kayaking, surfing, whatever you're putting onto the top of the roof, basically it gives you the ability to have this at the same height or similar height to the top rails. The sailplane, as I said, can slide forward and back, but it gives you that little bit more length when you're carrying something long. So this is where it gets really interesting. We're up at the top of the roof here, and basically you've got a little lever that's situated just in the little nook here that you pull. You then drag the roof rack across to the other side. Then what we can do is we can walk over the other side of the car, do the same thing on this side. So we unclick it from here, as you can see. We pull it around, and then it just pushes down into here. And then you go around to the other side, click this one in here as well. And now you've got your full flexible roof rack system the whole way across. The other thing to mention is you can unscrew your aerial here as well, just to give you that really nice desired flat surface and height from here. Whether you're doing a bit of timber, whether it's something like a surfboard, or even as long as a massive kayak, it really has a lot of flexibility in what you can store on top of the roof. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to have a walkthrough for the entire vehicle, just click the link just above me just here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.